overhand right by the Brazilian. Greg Jackson also set up Glover Teixeira. He truly is one of the best, especially if the fight goes to the ground with his jiu-jitsu game. So far, it's been a great stand-up match. To the body shot from the body by Glover. Big John through by me. Mostly less though, Mike. Jones with the most wins. Type of knee by John. Jones, no. And the right knee to the body after the guillotine. Southpaw stance and switches. Glover tries to get inside again. Just short with almost shot. John sliding out of the way. Head kick. Mixes it up nicely. Oblique kick from the tie-up. Yeah, he loves those elbows.
Man. Man. This nigga said, I ain't fucking around. Oh, could this be?
Not a takedown.
I know, I was like, I was hoping for that takedown.
John did a good job of tying up the arms of Glover too. Now letting him get elbow.
Come on, hip hop. I wish nigga would stop playing. Like he hit him 2 times with an uppercut, and then John Jones stopped for a second. They're like, oh shit, you know it hurt. He just let him back away. Like, don't let him back away. I just was firing on him. Just like, I would have just been lighting him up.
He know it. He knows.
Like an uppercut right there.
You know, watch he gonna back away.
Now watch these uppercuts he about to drop. Glover about to hit him with some uppercuts really quick. I already know they coming. You just gotta get position. Here go. No, he ain't getting it yet, but uppercut. Here go one. And he's gonna throw another one. See, he's trying to throw them uppercuts, but he's like kind of just.
This nigga like, you ain't finna fuck with me.
Maybe the one that just came across a moment ago. Thank you. Over 90 seconds left in round 3.
You gotta fuck him up with them knees.
Look at the elbows as he breaks. Oh, beautiful left hook by John. Just moves out of harm's way. And Glover is really busting up now, Mike. The way John is built, I mean, his elbows truly are bony, they're pointy. And they do real damage. Front leg side kick. Great athlete. Now he goes back to the orthodox stance.
He's just sitting there holding his head like, can you do that? Just sitting there and just doing and just kicking him as he's doing it, like just doing. Man, he should get out of the light heavyweight doing that shit. I don't know why they being forced to fight John Jones. He's just too much for short guys.
John Jones is imposing his will on Glover in this fight. By Glover, left hook. Final seconds of the round. Wow.
Got cut.
And John won the exchanges. Slow down. Look at me, John. Slow down.
Yes, I am recording this.
Wow, big blood all over. Good job. John, listen to the water.
Put this shit on
Breathe in, calm your heart rate.
Facebook, Worldstar, YouTube,
Good. You've been well trained for these last weeks.
hopefully Instagram. Damn!
And there's a huge cut over the right eyebrow of Glover Teixeira. And this is the end of the fight where he is attacking. Fighting where Glover should be at his best.